Today's bolting operators must maintain tools in top working order to achieve quality and schedule demands. However, they cannot afford downtime to send equipment out for maintenance or repair. HYTORC Mobile Service provides the ideal solution, bringing service right to the worksite. Each van is staffed by a highly skilled technician who travels to the customer's worksite. Each van is a rolling workshop, equipped for product maintenance, repair, and calibration. Services cover a wide range of hydraulic, pneumatic, electric, and manual torque tools. We can perform a preventative maintenance service to inspect and service worn parts. Preventative maintenance ensures tools deliver the highest performance and longest life possible. Repairs are performed correctly with HYTORC certified parts. Every repair is treated as a priority to put equipment back into service quickly. If a repair can't be done right away, we can arrange for loaner tools to keep the job on schedule. Vans provide tool and gauge calibrations to ISO 17025 standards. Each calibration is provided with a certificate and calibration stickers. Upon request, we can pick up your tools and deliver them back to you quickly without contact. HYTORC Mobile Services are setting the standard for on-site service that helps customers reduce downtime. The HYTORC standard: never settle for less.